How to replay disappearing photos or videos on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your DM section at the top right corner and then select on the profile. Now if you want to replay the disappearing photos, like what happens in disappearing photos is you click once, you watch it, and then after that you'll not be able to replay it. So when you tap on any picture over here, you can see when you type to screenshot or you want to screenshot, then it is not accessible. We cannot screenshot. So we cannot do the screenshot. When you click on the picture also, you'll not be able to see. So we cannot replay the disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. This is a feature that Instagram has given. So what you can do other than that is you can simply tap on your profile, select on hamburger icon at the top right corner, scroll down, and you can see the option of over here. You can see different options. So you can also download the information about your whole page. So you can simply select an account center, then scroll down and tap on your information and permission. Tap on download your information again, and then tap on download or transfer information. Select your profile, tap on next, tap on all available information, and tap on download a device, and then you can just select the date range and then create a file and download it on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.